What? These are like so not good anymore. What? These are like so not good anymore. Hey YouTube lovers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning subscribe, thank you so much for clicking on another video. So as you guys can see, I am organizing and cleaning my refrigerator. It was just a bit like, girl, get this clean, get it organized. And half of the stuff that I took out the fridge was to be thrown out. I do not like wasting food, absolutely not. But sometimes you just forget about things that sit in your refrigerator. So it was time to just tackle it. I hope this brings some inspiration. I hope this lets you know to go in your fridge and check what you no longer need, what's been sitting there for just too long. You're gonna see some things that's just been sitting there, just wasn't working for me. Don't forget to like and comment. Guys, I try sizing these to see how they would fit in the fridge, but I'm probably just gonna use one for now, just to put underneath, and I'm gonna show it to y'all. But for now, I think I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, and then I put one in the freezer. I think I'm gonna put one in the freezer as well. Yeah, just sizing it right now, and it looks pretty good. Should I put two? I really don't want to cut it. I really don't. Like, I feel like them all three could be somewhere real nice. Like when I get my house, like underneath my bathroom sink, something like that, or somewhere. But I really don't want to cut it for an apartment space, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Here we have a bleach and hot water, some butter. That's what I'm about to use with some Dawn to clean the refrigerator, and I'll show you guys after for sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep, like I said, one of these in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it in here. It look pretty good. And then whereas that, put it right here. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this other one to hold vegetables, you know, just to hold like the onions. And I'm gonna transfer the onions over there. The potatoes, they be by themselves. And here also hold like hot chocolate, coffee maker, hand sanitizer, anything really. Just makes sense, makes space, you know. And then this, I'm about to share everything. This I'm gonna transfer over here, some of it over here. Like half of this bag perhaps. Ouch. Because I need to start eating more oatmeal. I love oatmeal, but I haven't been eating it lately. So here we have it. Hopefully this whole thing fit in there, because this other bag is not yet open, so I can put it away. But yeah, old fashioned are my favorite. So we have that. But yeah, let's clean this up, and I'm gonna show you guys after. This is what the kitchen is looking like right now. Everything out. Everything. These gotta be washed. These, I know everything in here is trash. Oh my god, you guys see that cheese? God, I really have not touched. Look at this avocado. Oh my god, that looks stinky. But yeah, trash. Most of them is just throw away and wipe down. I need to get some more of these. Love these. Those are gonna use some make some orange chicken with the rotisserie chicken. And then I don't know if I'm gonna wash my blueberries right now, or if I wanna just let them stay in the container. Cause sometimes just let them stay in the container. When I feel like when I wash them, they get spoiled too fast. Even the raspberries. So I'm just gonna leave them like this and put them in. And I'll show you guys what everything is looking like. Okay. I added the oatmeal off camera, y'all.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. If I truly let you know, and I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no.
Guys, this is just the bleach water. That's it. I decided not to use any Dawn.
For me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Now we get it.
Much better.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for.
Okay, so here we just have just regular water, clean. I just wanna wipe the fridge down one more time with some clean water. As you guys can see, it's cleaner, much better, much better.
I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Now we get the I wanna be down.
Your girl is tired already, so now I'm just about to put everything back, and I'm gonna show y'all the after. Like, then I'm about to wipe down some of these things, just wipe down and put the eggs where it needs to go. You know, all that shebang stuff. Organized now. Now it's time to organize. I have to use my paper towels because the towels are not ready. But anyways, let's get to wiping.
I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention. It was all for you. So don't take advantage. Don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so would you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location. My vibrations. I don't need vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention. It was all for you. So don't take advantage. Don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so would you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location. My vibrations. I don't need vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention. It was all for you. So don't take advantage. Don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that things go a little bit better when you